In the last lesson, we went back and forth, back and forth, and back and forth between two looks in a pattern. Now we've got two more of those looks in cues 18 and 19 to help showcase another simple yet powerful tool for timing: delays. It's not always the case that you want the intensity up and intensity down times to start at the same time. Perhaps you want to wait for the lights to go out just a few seconds, allowing an actor to move from one part of the stage to another. But the separation isn't enough to warrant a second cue. Or perhaps you have a group of actors that are moving from a balcony to the floor, and you want all the lights to come up as the first actor moves, and then to lower the portion of the stage, but you want them to wait until the other actors leave. This is the purpose of delays. So let's use cue 17 as an example. Here we want to delay the downtime. All right, so when you press cue 17 and we press the time button, so it's kind of fun to see, it's going to assume that I want time. But if I press it again, it's going to toggle through all these different options of time. So downtime, focus time, color time, beam time, and back to into up intensity time. So if I want to delay the downtime, I need to press the time button twice. There we go. Now it says downtime. Now I want to press the delay button, or the D button on your keyboard, and I'm going to give it a time of 5 seconds. So the whole command keystroke sequence would then be cue 17, time, delay 5, enter. Now in the PSD, you'll notice a little 5 next to the downtime telling us that there's a delay that will count down before that portion of the cue starts to execute. You'll also notice at the far right-hand side that the duration is now 12. It used to be 7, which is the longest summation of time between all the different cues' timings. So the longest time here is 7 plus a 5-second delay equals 12 seconds for a total duration. All right, if we go back to cue 16 and then step forward into cue 17, you'll see that the lights on stage are currently waiting for 5 seconds and then going up. And you can see this a little bit easier in the PSD, that this number here, the delay, counted down, got to 0, and then we started doing our fade time down. You can go ahead and try it out as well. Quick tangent, if you didn't want that delay any longer, you could always give a null value for delay. So I'm going to do cue 17, time, delay, just like before. But instead of giving it a number, I'm going to give it nothing. Okay. Clearing in the command line, let's apply a delay to the int up time for a cue. Let's do cue number 18. And this time, let's use a different method. Rather than toggling the time button, we're just going to simply click on intensity up for cue 18. And this is going to be that number 3 right there. Your command line will automatically fill in the appropriate text down here. Now let's specify a delay of 9 by pressing delay 9 and enter. All right, we're already in cue 17, which I can tell because it's yellow here. We're selected 18, but we're in cue 17. Can also tell that, by the number down here. So now if I press go, we can see that delay executing. So we're counting down 10 seconds, and then this one will start. Okay. Delay is just another tool in your timing tool belt. If you wear a tool belt. If you wear a tool belt that holds intangible tools meant to control an intangible art form. Sorry, just please go to the next lesson.